morning, everybody. It is Thursday when I'm filming this, and as you can see, I'm outside in the backyard. We have a little patio home, so we don't have a large yard, but I think we've made the best of the space. So I'm going to be sharing that with you today. I'm so mad. I just came out here and construction just started up. So I have taken some footage over the last few days, and I'm going to insert that here for you. Otherwise, you're going to hear lots of racket. So when we got this house, there was no fence, and we had that put in because we have dogs. And I like to have a fence around my yard. I don't like open yards. They do that a lot in Virginia, and I'm not a fan. So I'm literally going to piece this video together because I've compiled clips over the last few days because we've had such crazy weather, and I'll probably pop in the house and explain things because it's getting noisy. But real quick, as you can see, we placed these Edison lights on the back fence, just on this main fence, and at night it really brightens up the space. It makes it feel really cozy, and we love it. We purchased the lights on Amazon, and you know, they came literally a couple days later, and then we just tie strapped them on. And then here's some footage from Lowe's yesterday. So we got this plant with these beautiful colors, and we're gonna hang it. I bought some hooks on Amazon, and we're gonna attach it to the house and then hang it. So I'm hoping it'll kind of drop down and cascade over the next few months. We also got a beautiful fern. I'd like to hang this on one of those hooks too. I love hanging plants and flowers. And then we got some beautiful roses. I absolutely love roses. They're so bright and cheery and colorful. And you can just go out to your yard and clip them and bring them in the house and put them in a beautiful vase. And then let me show you what we just purchased, I don't know, a month ago. We had gone to the Nemacolin Resort in Pennsylvania, and out by their pool area, they had these pyramid heaters that had big flames that went up through this tube. And I thought those are so cool. So my husband looked it up on Amazon, and he said, "Surprise, I just bought you one." So it was so sweet for him to surprise me with this wonderful heater. And so I'm going to be inserting some clips from last Friday because it was a beautiful evening, and we made a nice dinner. We made a little cocktail. We came out here and sat for a few hours, and we had this thing going, and let me tell you, the ambiance is everything. You guys will love this if you don't have one already. So let me spin you right here. There it is. It doesn't look all that pretty, but at night it certainly does. So when we designed this little backyard, we wanted to maximize our space. So we decided we wanted a table and chair set. We knew it had to be somewhat small because our patio is not that big. We purchased a little outdoor bench, and what else did we get? Oh, and a barbecue. Those were our main items we wanted to add out here. And then we wanted to add some color. So we've got some roses, we have some arborvitaes, pine tree, a little one. I call it the little Charlie Brown tree. It's so cute, but it's growing. And what else? Well, that's pretty much it. Then we've got the fence and the Edison lights. And so today my husband is planting the roses as we speak. We're going to hang the baskets, and then I'll give you a quick outdoor tour. And then I'm going to show you what it looks like at night and in the morning. It's so pretty. And can I just say, I love this view. Now I know why they say West Virginia is almost like heaven. It's just so beautiful with the rolling hills and the trees. We just love it. Everything is in bloom right now, so I can't even wait to see what this is gonna look like in a month. So as you can see, we're up on a bit of a hill and they're gonna be landscaping this soon. And then when you look out, is that not beautiful? When the fog rolls in, it's just all in the hills and through the trees. So pretty. When we were at Lowe's the other day, we got these solar lights. I think we only got 3. We wanted to see if we liked them. And so yeah, those look really pretty at night and in the morning hours. And before I forget, I want to wish all the moms out there a wonderful and happy Mother's Day weekend. And as you can see, we got this nice little 4-person table and chair set at Lowe's. And then I decided to go with a black and white umbrella. I think it's really cute. And then over here on the bench, I purchased some really cute black striped pillows you'll see in a few minutes, and so it'll all tie nicely together. But anyway, what I want to say is, you know, even if you have a small backyard, you can try to make it look cozy and comfortable and really think about the function of how you plan to use it. And anyway, I'm really happy with it. Okay, here we are installing a piece of wood so that we can secure the hook to the wood so it stays there nice and securely. And here are the hooks that we purchased from Amazon. And yay, now I can hang the fern. And here's my little Charlie Brown tree that I love so much. So now it's sunny out and I'm gonna clean the table off. My husband, we're going out of town, so my husband just threw preen down and I'm like, I was just gonna do a video. I might just hold off on like the final reveal, but I'll show you. I'm gonna clean the table, I'm gonna put the umbrella up, and I'm gonna bring some pillows out. By the way, this is my new favorite multi-surface cleaner by Clorox, and the scent is Tahitian Grapefruit Splash. It smells pretty good. It even has a scratch and sniff. So the table is clean and I just ran out to the garage and got my pillows that I picked up from Lowe's. And I like it because it's got this little cute detail right here. And then I love the stripes. And it kind of matches that. And you can see right there, my husband hung the fern. And I like it. I think it's pretty. And there's the bench. My goodness, what a beautiful day. It's just gorgeous. When I look out at a view like this, I am reminded how good God is and how much we are blessed. Just what a beautiful creation. I know this may sound funny, but when I'm out in nature, I always say, thank you, God. It's something we all need to be thankful for. I love this umbrella. Not only is it cute, but look how it really shaded the area. right, my sweet friends, that will wrap up my video for today. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a wonderful and blessed Mother's Day weekend, and I will see you guys here next Wednesday. Love you all so much. Mwah! Bye, guys.